Hey guys, it's Chef Joe with Antunes. I want to take a minute to show you our DFW. It's a deluxe food warmer. It's a steamer. It's a tabletop steamer. But I want you to understand that you can retherm anything in this. You can do any seafood, pastas, vegetables, cakes, desserts, pastries, you name it. People don't understand that desserts can also be put in this, entire whole cakes. So I'm going to show you a few things here how to work this machine. So it's simple, right? It has its own water reservoir, so you don't have to have a water line. It is a 120, so you can plug it right in. So we're gonna practice here playing. What we did is we made some pineapple upside down cakes in here. But what we're gonna do is we can go ahead and chill those, okay? And then break them back down, and for service, all I need to do is hit it, and in about 1 minute, you'll have a dessert ready to go to the table. All right guys, it's time to try another dessert. Let's do a molten lava cake. Let me show you these guys. So these are actually a frozen product. These are what you see in a lot of your restaurants. When you look on the menu, you see molten lava. But what we're gonna do is they put this in the oven, they can dry it out. But if they had a DFW, they would be able to just set them in, hit the steam, minute and a half, we're gonna bring it to temp. We're gonna break out that molten lava, so check it out. Because of the steam as well, you can't get that moisture that you see there from dry heat. It's just impossible. So we take this and you get it, right? You get the table, you got the molten lava. Watch this, guys. Got all that chocolate in there. You know, we can do desserts, we can steam any type of fish, we can do cakes, we can do anything. But did you think of this? You know the little frozen or the packaged muffins that you can get at the store, or they come into your restaurant, you got packaged muffins, packaged sandwiches, breakfast sandwiches, grab and go, those kinds of things? Well, a DFW is all you need for that as well. You don't need a microwave, just get one of these. Look, I'm gonna do a breakfast sandwich here. A Jimmy did, look at that thing. So we're just gonna, literally, I'm gonna take them, set them in the DFW. This could be a big old muffin. It can be frozen, it can be slacked, it can be chilled. Any way you like it, we're taking it, we're hitting start. In about 1.5 minutes, you're gonna have a basic, one of the best sandwiches you've had coming out of a steamer, a tabletop steamer called the DFW Deluxe Food Warmer by Antunes. Check one out. Do them just like that, 1.5 minutes at a time, guys. You knock it out, get rid of that microwave, and get yourself a DFW by Antunes.